Today I'll show you how to install aluminum soffit and fascia. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Install gable trim at the gables. Install the Soffit J channel. Slide the soffit into the J channel and staple it on. Hold the aluminum fascia in place and mark the back where to cut. Cut the fascia at the mark and slide it into the gable trim. Screw on the fascia from the bottom with 1.5 inch colored screws. Put a screw about every 4 feet. For the straight run, bend the end of the starter fascia. Cut the bottom off at about 1.5 inches back. Use the piece you cut off as a guide, and make a small cut at the top. Aluminum bends at the weakest point, so this will ensure a straight bend at the right place. Bend the end in as far as you can. Then bend it back to 90 degrees. This will ensure a crisp, neat bend. Hold the fascia in place, and face staple it near the top. The trough will cover these staples. Here I'm installing another piece of fascia, requiring a gable trim. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.